I'm going to show you different method of multiplication of different mathematicians. Leibniz, Ramanujan, Zhu Qingji, Galileo, Newton and Gauss. At first Leibniz, 5, write 5 here, 5, 5, 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. Down 5, 5 and 2, 7 and 2 and 5, 12, 2, carry 1, 1 will add here, 3, 3 and 5, 8 and 2, 10, 0, carry 1, 1 will add here, 3. So 3 0 to 5. Now the method of Ramanujan, 55, 55 multiply, 5 5s are 25, 5 carry 2, 5 5s are 25 and 2, 27, 5 5s are 25, 5 carry 2, 5 5s are 25 and 2, 27, 5, 12, 2, carry 1, 1 will add here 3, 10, 0, carry 1, 1 will add here 3. Now the method of Zhu Qingji, 25, 25 and there are total in 50 intersecting point. Okay, down 5, carry 2, 2 will add here 52, 52, 2, carry 5, 5 will add here 3, 0. Now the method of Galileo, write 50 and 5, 50 and 5. 50 multiply 50, 250, 50, 500, 50 multiply 5, 250, 250, 25. So in total 250, 250, 500, 525 and 2500, 3025. Now the method of Newton, value of A 55 minus value of B 5, 55 plus 5 plus 5 square. It's gonna be 50 multiply 60 multiply 25, that means 30 to 5. And the last method of Gauss, plus 1 add here, it will be 6. Now multiply 5 and 5, 25 and 6 multiply 5, 30. It's totally awesome.